In a slowly growing energy sector, engineering company SKF has set a record for tidal turbine reliability in Scotland. The company's turbine, operating at the MeyGen energy facility, has continued service over 6 years without maintenance. In a sector that includes many challenges, SKF's feat speaks volumes for the industry. Adoption of tidal power has been rather slow given requirements for site installation. Tidal turbines require coastal areas with tide ranges of at least 13 feet. On top of that, high infrastructure costs to withstand marine environments while keeping ecosystems unaffected proves to be tricky. A prime example of location and infrastructure includes the Bay of Fundy in Canada. As the world's highest tidal range, the bay could serve as a great location for clean energy production, but with heavy tidal streams, the bay has smashed turbines previously installed. That being said, SKF has located sites in Japan, France, and Scotland for future installation. Partnering with UK-based company Proteus Marine Renewables, the companies seek to produce further Proteus series turbines built with SKF-made seals and bearings, just like the turbine at MeyGen. Supplied with SKF's 3 MW powertrains, 30 turbines will be installed across the previously mentioned locations before 2031. With enough electricity generation to power about 3,000 homes, Proteus seeks to follow this operation up with the production of more than 300 turbines.